Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got on the bench a Selectric 2, and it came in with a few from the same company. They wait until they have about 3 of these or so before they send them in for repair. And this one came in with no note, but here's what it's doing. It's throwing dashes right there. It kicked, in fact, it did a T and a dash. So I'm just going to do one T, one T, one T, one T. Let me try another T. One T. Now it's not doing it. T, T, T. There it is. What the heck did it do? T, T. I guess it's just a dash. It's throwing an extra dash. Okay, so let's investigate this. It can only be a couple things, but I have a feeling it's a sticky part. But let's take a look. Let's take a look right at what I think it might be. I'm going to look at the latch here. So this is where she latches up after a cycle. Right there. In fact, I see it running a little slow. Okay, 2 things here. First thing, let's look and see if that part is sticking. So let's see if I can get this on camera. I'm going to release the tension here and see if this part right here in the center. Okay, let me see if I can get my finger around the camera, and I want to see if this is sticking right here, this piece. And it's not. Okay, let's try this pivot right there. So I'm going to hold this back. That's it right there. Okay, so it's these pivots right here. There's one on the other side. So let me get my spring hook here. No, it's not that one. Sorry. It's down further. It's down there. It's the one down there, right there. So that one is sticking. See that? It should spring right back up at full speed. So let's get the lacquer thinner right on the spot. The camera's in my way. There we go. And do the corresponding side on the other side. There's one just like it. And I'll work it in there a little bit. And it's probably not sticking now. Oh, it's still. There it goes. That was sticky, all right. That is pretty common. Pretty common for that to be sticky like that. I'm just going to work it in there a little bit. And then I'm going to give it a shot of air. Blow out that lacquer thinner that's in there. Just like that. And maybe one more squirt in there. And one more squirt on the other side. And I'm going to run that some more. And give it the flick test. Okay, let's try it. See if my theory was right, and that was the only sticky part. Looks like that was probably it. Sticky parts. I'm going to actually leave this sit for another day and try it tomorrow morning and re-verify it so it doesn't reoccur. That can be that little pivot I just flushed can be a little bitch sometimes. But all right, that's a video for the day for today. Tuning Step Rider. Good day.